Okay.
Okay. And then where are you calling from?
Well, I am from UP.
You're from Uttar Pradesh. Oh, good, good. What do you do?
Well, I used to be a student, but this time I am neither a student nor a teacher.
You are a
But after,
student. What do you do?
yeah, yeah.
Are you doing graduate or?
No, no, I am actually. I think it would be better if I'm going to introduce myself.
Okay, please, please.
Okay. So my name is Season, and I am from UP. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I like playing badminton, reading English books, and talking to the people like this. If I talk about my education, I am postgraduate in English and I have learned British and American English from foreign teachers. So it is my brief introduction.
Good, good. I'm scared here now. Now I'm scared now.
No,
You
no.
know, you are a English graduate, that to PG. Okay, anyhow, suppose if I make any mistake during my conversation, please kindly excuse, okay?
Could you please introduce
Okay.
yourself?
Yeah, let me introduce myself. Look, before starting the conversation, this is my bonding duty to tell you because you are a no English professor. I think he's going to be English professor very soon because we are doing a postgraduate in English. Lecturer,
I,
correct?
I, I have completed that.
Yo, competent, yes. Really, really, no bit, no. Okay. Anyhow, let me complete myself. My name is Bhupal. I'm working in a private company. My job is related to logistics. Okay. I have been learning English for the past 2 decades, but the journey is continuing till that will continue till my end. I will speak whenever I get the free time. I will use the Skype group, CV group, Open Talk, whatever apps are available. I will make use all of them and talk to random people. I cannot say random people. I can talk to my co-learner. But you are not my co-learner. You are a boss now. Okay. If I make any mistake, you must correct me. Okay. I am not fluent enough. When you said I'm a English, what is it? What English MBA or something? What did you say? MA English lecturer.
Yeah, yeah.
So really I'm scared now.
No, 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 no. There is no need of
I
getting
got
scared here.
I got nervous. Okay.
No, no, no. We are just friends. We are talking to each other. That's
Yeah.
it.
Okay. Okay. So this is all about me, nothing else. So I have been improving daily, day by day.
Okay, so
I
may I
know
know?
learn so many things from so many people. Now you have come, I'm going to learn something from you.
Yeah, yeah. So
That's
may I know from which state do you come?
Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Sorry, I forgot to mention. Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Capital city of Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know Tamil Nadu, Chennai,
Have
just
you ever come to
beside.
Chennai? Have you
Yeah,
ever
yeah.
come to Chennai?
No, no, sorry. I have not
Oh,
visited that place, but I know about this thing.
okay, okay. Definitely you must be knowing it. Since you are in India, one of the metropolitans, Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, and Chennai. Four
Yeah,
metropolitan, four metropolitan city.
yeah, yeah.
Hey, how long have you been trying to connect with me?
I think two
No,
or three
once I
days
saw
ago,
your message. I think 1 week ago, or 3 days ago. I don't remember. I saw your message. I sir. So immediately I wanted to connect with you.
yeah, 2 or 3 days ago, actually.
You are the first person. No, you wanted to connect with me because I'm the one always who try to connect with other people who speak English because they don't know. They're not interested to talk to me because I'm very poor in English. No, so they think I'm not fit for this conversation. They think I don't know.
No,
Anyhow,
no,
no
no.
problem.
We should not think like this for anyone. Actually, we
For
are
fun,
just
no?
all
Just
about
for fun, I
learning,
say. Okay.
right? So we should help others in learning this language.
Exactly. There you are. Got it.
I think
Okay.
if
How long
whenever
have you been learning English?
uh, actually I started learning this language for the last 6 years ago.
6 years ago.
Yeah, yeah,
6 years ago. Oh, good, good. Okay. Okay.
yeah. So, but you started learning it 2 decades ago, so I think it
Two
is nothing
decades.
before.
Yeah. Still I have been learning because I am a very poor student. My grasping power is very, very bad. Absolutely very bad. But it will take time. But once I learn it, I never ever forget. You can say even I can know people refer always. You are a tea blade. It's a tea blade. You know the tea blade. It's very difficult to take time to know give power. But once the power has come, it will be brighter than anything else. So
Yes,
like
yes.
no, nobody's praising me because I have to praise myself.
No, that's right. Everybody will start praising you if you are going to improve yourself to a great level. And it will happen, I'm sure.
Pardon?
No, I said one day everybody will praise you because you are doing your best in learning this language.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right. So
And
how
anything
many
else
people?
you like to discuss with me, you can please.
No, I said that to how many people have you talked till now?
How many people? That's hardly I can just figure it out only. Sunita Rawat. You know Sunita Rawat? YouTuber.
I'm not that much aware, but
She's a
maybe.
YouTuber. She's a YouTuber. She only added me in this group. Okay. And then another one, two, three, almost around six or five, 6 to 7 peoples I have spoken. Maybe
Have
I
you
would
ever?
have spoken to them. Yeah, six or seven people. That's it. But
Have you
mostly
ever?
every day morning when I go for a walk, I use CV app. You know the CV app? Do you
Yes.
know the CV app? Every day morning, that is my regular practice. Morning 5 to 5:30 or maximum 6 o'clock. I talk to my caller using the CV app mostly. But a video call is not possible during my office hours. Very difficult. But sometimes, if I get free time, I will send a message to connect with other people. If anyone on video call, I go to my conference room, my office conference room. I'll talk to them. Recently, one guy I spoke to, I think 2 days ago, I spoke to one guy. His name called Israel, I think. It must be from Kuwait. He's also Uttarakhand from Chennai, sorry, from India. Okay, I spoke to him. He's also a YouTuber. Recently, he posted by that conversation video also. If you want, you can go and visit his channel.
Okay, okay,
Learning English with Israel.
okay. I'll do
My
that for sure.
pronunciation may be wrong, but his name is excellent. He's
Yeah,
working in
yeah.
Kuwait. Uh,
Okay, so have you talked to foreigners?
have you
Have you talked to foreigners?
talked to foreigner once? I don't say only once I spoke to one foreigner. That too when I used Cambly. That too in free session. I spoke to him one foreign guy. After that, I did not get a chance to speak with anybody because that's all too expensive. I can't afford to go for that. No, too expensive.
Yes, yes.
I'm a family man. Okay. Sorry, I got a call. Sorry, I got a call and got
Okay.
disconnected. Okay. What I was telling you? Forgot. What I was telling
No,
you?
app, Camely app.
Pardon? I
Camely
completely
app.
forgot. No? I was telling you something. No.
About Camely app, about foreigners.
So yeah, it's very difficult to know because I'm a family man. I have a son. Okay, he's doing second year mechanical engineering. So very difficult to know afford this much of amount to join Cambly and other things. So just I use only the free app mostly, but only just the CV app. I just 2 months. I was I became a prime member of CV app. Just matter of around 300 something, 300 rupees, 378 rupees. That's a meager amount I can pay. But whereas Cambly and sorry, Clappingo, they cost around 3,000 something and all. So I cannot afford to pay that. If it is meager amount, I can go and join and I can improve my English. It should be economical here, so that the other person can join. No, what other people will do. So most of the learners are all now working, students, some few working professionals. They may be a beginner, so they can't afford to go for 3,000, 4,000 and all. If it is a meager amount, 300, 400 rupees, they can think of joining this app. They should be flexible enough in payment wise, but they're a bit costly when compared with other thing, the Cambly and what do you call that, this clapping.
Yeah, and there is nothing special there too, because even I have talked to some foreigners, and I could not find this thing that there is something very different. Everything is okay.
Okay.
Yeah, even I have talked to some, Americans and Britishers, Sri Lankan, and some other kind of people like that.
Good, good, good.
Yeah, actually, I learned, American English, so I wanted to get it checked by American teachers.
Okay.
How yeah, that's why I talked.
Okay, good, good, good. I think you must be doing that slang because no, for me, I will ask so many times, pardon, pardon, pardon. Third time only I can understand that slang. But for you, I think you get used to that. So very easily you can understand them, no? Because you usually talk to them, foreign people. So you can easily understand. For you, I'm talking about, not me. You can easily understand them.
Yeah, all these things are very common. Actually, we have learned many things about English because we have done, I have done everything in English. So according to that, these things are very common.
Mm-hmm.
So, do you practice daily?
Pardon?
Do you practice daily?
Of course, of course. I don't even skip a single day. Our minimum should be 30 minutes, 100%. Minimum it should be 30% per day.
Okay. For how many minutes?
30 minutes per day, at minimum 30 minutes, maximum even 1 hour, 2 hours. But minimum 30 minutes should be there every day. So that only,
Wow.
that resonating in my head. I will have that fluent in my, what do you say, in my conversation. Otherwise, I will forget everything. I feel I may forget the language. I want to stay in touch with the English language most of the time. The reason is I suffered and struggled a lot. I was humiliated like anything. Those days, when I started journey in English, I struggled a lot. When I completed my final year examination, final year college, and I went for interview, and I was working in the company, struggled. No, I cannot express in word. Without that is thing making me learning English every day. Still, I am a learner. I am a still student. For English, I'm a student.
Yeah, but you have improved to. I mean, I can say that your fluency is very good at this time. You can speak fluently, whatever you want to speak.
Oh, sir, I can't get you. Can you pardon, please?
As your fluency is good, really good.
Okay. Oh, is it so? Oh, my fluency. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Because
Yeah,
I am
really.
speaking, I don't have earphone here. That's the main problem. The voice
Okay,
is no
okay.
very low. That too, I'm calling from my mobile phone. I have a system, but that's what you call laptop. But I don't have the link with that Skype group in that my laptop. I tried to
Yeah.
add this group, but it already is full now. That particular group is full now. I'm not able to
Oh,
join from my laptop to this group, this Skype group. So I can
okay.
facilitate only with this no, what do you call that is my mobile Skype.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
yeah, that's good.
I don't have headphone. That's the main problem. I can't hear you. Okay, no problem, no problem. But can you hear me? I'm audible now. I keep
Oh,
talking.
I can listen to you properly. All the
Yeah, my
words.
voice is very no strong tone. You can easily hear. And then one more thing I would like to ask you: what made you to learn English? Do you have any special goal, or what made you to learn English? Do you have any? Just if you
Yeah,
have, please share with me.
a special goal in the sense you can say I want to become an English trainer.
Okay.
Yeah, that is why I wanted to learn this language.
No, no, the thing you don't face. No, you did not face any problem at all while learning English. Did you come
No,
across any humiliation? No, no, not like that.
I faced some problems. Actually, I knew this thing that if I'm going to start doing something new in my village, at that time there
Okay.
would be a lot of people start saying this thing that if you do not know how to speak, then why are you speaking it?
Okay.
So when I started this journey, at that time no one knew about this thing.
Oh,
After
oh,
three
oh.
years, I think people came to know that he knows how to speak it. Until then, I had become very fluent.
Oh, already you have enough way in there. You do not require no comments at all. Then why do you use this app? We are a beginner, we are learning. You are English, no English lecturer. You're going to go very soon, you're going to become
No,
English
no,
lecturer. Then what more you want? Okay, you can
no, no.
train us.
Actually, I do not.
Train us.
I do not have any partner with whom I can talk.
Oh, okay. Oh, by the way of talking to other people, you can learn the cultures and customs, other things. Correct.
Yes, yes, of course. We can know different kind of things.
Best way to know, understand other people, cultures, customs. Good, good, nice way.
Yeah, yeah. We can get a different kind of experiences from different kind of people
Yes.
and troubles that they have faced.
Okay, okay.